guys, I just wanted to quickly show you how you mix color with your palette knives. So you have two. You can use the larger one for mixing for your color wheel if you wish. I think probably using the small one is just fine for this particular project that's moving forward. I already mixed an orange, mixing some yellow and some red together, finding an orange. So I'll mix here a Viridian green with some yellow, and you use the palette knife to pick up paint, put it down. You'll notice that you get some on the back. If you want to keep that clean when dipping into another color, you're going to want to always wipe down in between with a paper towel or a tissue or a rag. So since I want to keep that green clean, I didn't have any yellow on the back of this. I'll put that down, and then I'm going to mix these up. And the trick is to just use the back side of the palette knife as best you can, not stirring with the tip of it so much, which a lot of people want to do, which can work, but it's really more satisfying and you're going to get a better mix if you push the paint into the palette and around and then kind of scoop it back up. And you keep mixing until you really feel like you got a good mix. All right. You can look at the color flatly like that and judge, is that the color I want? Or do I want it to be a little bit more green and a little darker? You can mix them side by side to compare. All right. You see how you get those streaks in there? That means it's not really mixed yet. Okay. Maybe you want to see the gradation. Maybe you want to mix the two together to find a middle. All right. You do want to end up, once you find the color that you want, to push it together into a pile like this, and that'll keep it fresher for longer. If you spread it out, it will dry out even though it's on the Stay Wet palette. So the keys are wipe down your palette knife often. Use the back side of your palette knife. You can keep a little water to swish your palette knife around and get it clean when you need to also. So I hope that's helpful as one of many parts of these little tutorials.